Did you know you can start your financial journey with just 0.19? There are affordable penny stocks that are looking interesting on watch lists right now. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 US penny stocks priced between 487 and 0.19. Let's get started. The next stock is from the biotech sector, working on rare diseases and gene therapies. Abeona Therapeutics Inc. develops advanced gene therapy programs and treatments. Recently, the company has accelerated clinical trials and announced strategic partnerships, highlighting its growth potential. And the stock is Abeona Therapeutics Inc., currently priced around 487. Now, a technology solutions company that works in IoT, smart devices, and electronics manufacturing. Chemtrex Inc. provides innovative electronics and industrial IoT solutions. Recently, the company expanded production facilities and launched new projects, highlighting growth potential. And the stock is Chemtrex Inc., currently priced around 296. Next, a tech stock working on emergency communication and public safety solutions. Genesis Inc. develops critical communication systems and alert technologies, providing life-saving solutions for cities and organizations. Recently, the company announced new contracts and product deployments, highlighting growth potential. And the stock is Genesis Inc., currently priced around 230. The next stock is a tech innovation company, developing microdisplays and VR/AR solutions. Imogen Inc. provides specialized high-resolution displays and solutions for augmented reality devices. Recently, the company announced new partnerships and production improvements, highlighting growth potential. And the stock is Imogen Inc., currently priced around 2.07. Now, a staffing and workforce solutions company providing temporary and permanent staffing services across multiple industries. Staffing 360 Solutions Inc. is expanding its client base and service offerings, highlighting future growth potential. If demand for staffing solutions continues, short-term and long-term momentum is possible. And the stock is Staffing 360 Solutions Inc., currently priced around 1.615. Another biotech stock working on immunotherapy and cancer treatments. Marker Therapeutics Inc. develops personalized cellular therapies and advanced treatments. Recently, the company has accelerated clinical trials and research programs, highlighting growth potential. And the stock is Marker Therapeutics Inc., currently priced around 1.42. Next, a stock in the pet products and subscription services sector. Bark Inc. builds a loyal customer base through monthly subscription boxes and pet care products. Recently, the company has accelerated marketing campaigns and new product launches, highlighting growth potential. And the stock is Bark Inc., currently priced around 0.68. Now, a renewable energy stock developing ocean wave energy solutions. Ocean Power Technologies Inc. develops wave energy converters to generate sustainable electricity. Recently, the company has expanded projects and participated in government contract bids, highlighting growth potential. And the stock is Ocean Power Technologies Inc., currently priced around 0.444. Next, a staffing and workforce solutions company specializing in employment services. G Group Inc. provides temporary staffing, recruitment, and HR solutions. Recently, the company has expanded its client base and strengthened its presence in niche industries, showing future growth potential. And the stock is GE Group Inc., currently priced around 0.19. These are the 10 US penny stocks priced between 487 and 0.19. That could be interesting to watch right now. Keep in mind, while you're watching this video, the prices of these stocks may have already changed. Always do your own research and make investment decisions at your own discretion. This video is for educational purposes only. If you enjoyed this video, like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get more stock updates and financial insights. Also, let me know in the comments which stock you found the most interesting.